Imagine this: a rusty, ancient metal gear retrieved by chance from the bottom of the sea.
When I looked closely at the object, I saw a gear, and I knew immediately it was something different, something mechanical.
At first glance, it looked like nothing more than old junk. But what those divers discovered would change everything. Everything we thought we knew about history, about technology, and even about who we truly are. Because what was hidden inside that box simply wasn't supposed to exist. In 1901, divers were exploring the wreckage of a Roman ship in the Aegean Sea. They found statues, vases, and everyday objects. But among them, something caught their attention. A stone with strange markings, holes, and fragments of gears. It was almost discarded, until an archaeologist, Valerios Stais, decided to take a closer look. And what he saw sent shivers down his spine.
It's the most complex piece of engineering from the ancient world. It's like finding a jet engine in the ruins of a Roman temple.
It wasn't just a stone. It was a mechanism, a clock, a computer over 2,000 years old, capable of predicting eclipses, calculating lunar phases, tracking planetary cycles, and even forecasting the ancient Olympic Games. All of this contained in a handmade box with 223 perfectly fitted bronze gears, something modern science only managed to reproduce more than 1,000 years later. But if this object is so extraordinary, why does almost no one talk about it?
We realized we weren't just dealing with a calendar. This was a complete astronomical calculator, far beyond what anyone thought possible at the time.
For decades, traditional science simply ignored the Antikythera Mechanism. It was as if it didn't fit the official narrative. Because if we accepted its existence, we'd have to rewrite the entire timeline of human evolution.
When I realized what it was, I felt like I had stumbled upon a secret no one wanted to be found.
Yet, the mystery persisted. It grew. And with every new discovery, it seemed to beg for answers. In 2005, scientists decided to look deeper. They used 3D tomography to unlock the secrets of the artifact. And what they found was even more impressive: internal gears that precisely mimicked the movements of planets visible to the naked eye. All of it within a single portable device. It was, without exaggeration, the equivalent of an iPhone from antiquity. But then, something even stranger happened. Since that day, nothing like it has ever been found. No replicas, no instructions, no signs of continuity, as if someone had erased it from history on purpose. And that's when the question becomes truly unsettling. How could such advanced knowledge have emerged and simply vanished without a trace? If the ancient Greeks were indeed capable of creating something so sophisticated, why aren't there more pieces of evidence? Where are the other mechanisms? Or perhaps they weren't alone? Perhaps the real question isn't how it was made, but rather, why did we forget? Or worse, who made sure we would forget? If you want to continue uncovering the mysteries that history tried to hide, subscribe to Mind Past, because this is only the first gear in a much larger secret.